Creating custom text effects is now possible through Adobe's new tool in Adobe Firefly. Check it out. Let's get right into the video. First off, you're gonna go to firefly.adobe.com and you're gonna be brought to this screen here. Go ahead and sign in on the top right. So click on sign in and just go through with your account and everything. And just like that, you should be signed in. So you're gonna be brought to this page right here. We're gonna go ahead and just scroll down and you're gonna find text effects, which is right here. Go ahead and click generate and we're gonna get into this view here. Here is so many different customization options for what we got here, right? So here you can just see, you know, what do we have? We have things like this letter E here, or this G, the K. There's so many different custom text styles for you know, this font. You know, I really like this pizza one right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and create our own. I'm just gonna go and type the channel name and we're gonna just do recent media. And we are gonna type in a text, which is gonna be just like this pizza one here, because why not? Let's try that. So pizza, and you're gonna go ahead and click on generate. Now I'm going to show you guys 5 different custom ones that you guys can get a really good idea, right? You can already see it's starting to get the A and all the letters are popping up here. This is actually, it did a really good job. Just look at that, Phrasen Media, and if you don't like this option, you can actually click one of these bottom ones down here, and then it'll like generate a new version for that. But I'm actually fairly happy with this one here. So once you got the custom text that you love, just go ahead and click this more options right here and click download, and just like that you can download your image. So yeah, now for next I'm gonna go with a little bit of a different style that I think is really going to show you some more of the capabilities that this can do. I'm gonna go with shiny gold liquid drip. Let's go ahead and click generate. Now after this I'm going to show you guys some other more techniques and ways that you can use, and we're gonna look on this side here on the right. Okay, right there, you can see the liquid drip. But before we get even more depth into this, we're gonna take a look here on the right side. So you can see here's 3 different options for match shape. You can see if you do tight, it'll try to keep the style very tight inside the box of the letters. We're here at the medium setting, go for loose, and it's gonna try to be even more drippy with the letters. So let's try that. We're gonna click generate. And there you go, it's starting to come about. And yeah, this is really crazy. Look how drippy all this liquid you know, gold is, you know. And that's if you go with the loose bound, this option right here. Now, if you like this, you say, well, hey, actually, I would like a different type of text font. You can do that. There's here a certain amount of fonts you can actually pick. We're going to go with the Cooper one right here. And then you can also choose, you know, a background color. I like this background where there's nothing on the background, because if you save this, it just saves this as this text image. We're going to go ahead and click this red option for the background color. And we're going to click generate. Now I prefer not using the background color, just go with empty on the next project, but this is good. So we're going to go with 3 more different options here, and I'm going to go with the next version being mossy. We're going to go with something really simple, and we're going to click on generate. And there you go, it's coming about. And you can just see the insane capability of this AI tool. Look how great of a job it does. Now, as you see, there's a little bit of overlap on these areas, and that's what this tool right here, the match shape area, loose, we set it to loose so it can go quite loose outside. We're gonna go and do quite tight, and then we're gonna see how it does after we do that. And there you go, it's coming about, and just like that. This is actually much better. I prefer the tight one in this situation. Maybe the one with the dripping, it might not be as good, but just look how well this is. We're gonna look at 2 more different styles, but yeah, just take a look at how well this is done. I'm gonna go with a different type of text here, and then also a style prompt. Okay, and this prompt is gonna be holographic snakeskin with small shiny scales, and I'm gonna use this as, and we are gonna just go with this, generate. And would you look at that, it's coming about, and wow, This is probably my most favorite one so far. Just look how amazing this is, how it got all these little scales. Like, this really is amazing if you're going to be doing some type of graphic art for certain types of text. This is an insane tool. We're going to go with one more prompt after this one. Just now, if you don't like it, you know, there's 4 options down at the bottom, and then you can always refresh to generate a new one. And then I'm going to go change the font this time around. We're going to go with Vortex, yeah. And if you actually don't like these, you can click View All. There's quite a few more, but I kind of like Vortex, so we'll go with that one. And the next prompt we're going to be going with, and this one is also a little bit more of a complex one. This one's going to be Bundle of Colorful Electric Wires. Before we do that, we're going to just click on Loose once again, and this one is going to hopefully do something cool with the wires. So let's go generate. And there we go, it's coming about. I've got 2 more letters to go. And there we go. Wow. Okay, that's pretty amazing. Like, look at how custom this text is. And here's the thing. So it does make each letter different. Like this S here is different than this S. I might actually be wrong. I think it actually copies both letters. But anyway, this is how you can do it. I actually don't really, I'm gonna go with this one. I think this one looks cooler. So we'll go with this one. So this tool is free. I recommend you try it. And then, you know, you got this button right here to save them if you like them. Thanks for watching. I hope this is great and useful for you. Bye.